Hi everyone, my name is Rajan and I am going to demonstrate this uh, deploying the AutoMail model on Microsoft Azure. So let's see. First, I have registered bank marketing dataset. You can go to create dataset and you can upload data as per your need. After that, I have experimented AutoML run. Here you can see bank marketing experiments which I have created on April 28, 2021. So let's explore this experiment. Here you can see status is completed. Now see run and run ID. Run ID is run 1. If I am going to this, you will find best model summary. Here you can see voting assemble is a best algorithm. For this case accuracy is 92%. Here I have deployed the same model 3 times. Let's see the bank marketing deployments of 4. You can see the status is healthy and image rest endpoint is available here. Swagger URI is available here. For Swagger documentation, application insight enabled is false. We can true it though. So in second model I have you can see in the second deployment model I have enabled that application insight URL. You can go to that URL and can get extra information about application. So what I have done, let's consume this model. So here we can consume this model. So now I am running that my python endpoint.py. If suppose I am executing the script, I am getting results in JSON format. You can go to the consume and you can put change according put your endpoint.py script by replacing your endpoint and key, which I have done in this one of the model. You can consume it from here using rest endpoint, using key, by updating your endpoint.py. You can also consume it via test. You can put the values and you can get the exact results. Now you here you can see that I am successfully deployed bank marketing deployments. Here you can see, you can try it out using get and post. Here we have post score. So this is the sample JSON format. This is the sample JSON format where you can execute and test your application and you will get a response. So here you can see my endpoint is successfully deployment status is healthy, and also model is also deployed. So there is no issue. Here we can see the various endpoint which I have created for different purposes. In one you can see there is no application inside. In second there is application inside. You can enable by using UI or something else. Thank you very much.